how to make a TikTok video with gallery photos, images, and videos. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And in today's video, we will learn how we can make a TikTok video with your gallery photos, images, or videos. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First and foremost, launch your TikTok application in your mobile device. Once you're logged in, make sure that you're logged in with your account. So from here, in order to create a video, tap on the plus icon from the menu bar at the bottom of this interface. Once you're here, now instead of recording a video from here, we have to choose photos, images, and videos from gallery. So for that, tap on the gallery icon next to the record button. Now from here, you can choose either photos or videos that you want to make a TikTok video with. If you want to select photo, tap on the photos section and here choose your photo that you want to add in your TikTok video. Or if you wish to add video at the end, tap on the video section and select one video that you want to add. And if you're done selecting your images and videos, tap on next button. So here is your video that you have created using your photos from your gallery. Now, if you want to add music, there is a music icon at the top of this interface. Tap on it. And from here, you can choose a music that you want to add. So keep on checking for the music and add your preferred music. Now, if you want to add sticker, text, or other filters, there you will see a toolbar at your right hand side. You can use one from there. You can add filters, you can add stickers, you can edit your video with this edit icon right here just below the setting icon. That's gonna take you to the editing page. Here also you can edit your video. Once done, tap on next from the top right corner. Now you will land on this page where you can add the description to your video or comment to your video. You can add link, you can customize your audience, and there are more options given here. So that's for your privacy and other settings. So if you want to post this video in your TikTok, simply tap on post from the bottom right corner, and with that your video will be posted in your account. So that's the way to make TikTok video with gallery photos, images, and videos. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.